first part of this Microsoft Office course, we have to discuss what we are trying to do. Is In last video we have discussed the size of all these cases. Now we have to discuss the last case, that is a toggle case. You can choose this toggle case. What is meant by toggle case means first word of each letter is in lowercase. You can check out H, that is in lowercase, much, M is in lowercase, U, Y is in lowercase, peoples, P in lowercase. You can select out any of the data size or any of the uppercase. If you want to write this letter in uppercase, you can check out every word of this sentence is in uppercase. If you want to clear all the formatting, just click here and check out the formatting. That is our original style, that is right in at the first, and all applied formatting cleared on just one click. This is the second strike through. How to use this strike through? First of all, you have to increase the size of that data, and just click here. You can check out the strike through. Underline, you can use this line in the middle of your text. This is a strike through. Again click here, you can check out that is cleared, the line is cleared. Again click and you can check out the line is built up. The next video we have, in the next part we have to discuss the text style. We have to write this in this text, we have to write it in this text. You have to use any of the style text that is shown here. You have to check out the styles, you have to check out all the data, all the peoples you are trying, all the how much you people are trying to protect these peoples. Those are crimeless, or those are criminals or crimeless. That is your own option. We have to discuss all these in details in next videos, and hope so you peoples are understanding what I means and what I want to discuss with you peoples. This is the tutorial video, and we have discussed all these videos in our previous videos, or in these videos we have discussed the major and basic parts of your Microsoft Word key points. Those key points are related to your cut, copy, paste, and there are more any others. There are more any recommended commands that are easy to use and easy to handle. That you can use any of the command for your previous tutorials videos. You can use this is your text. When you use this type of this command, that is a headliner. That is a headliner for your text. You can use any of the text. Okay, this is a headliner, and this one is a color of your text. You can change the color of the text if you want. You can check out the difference between all these colors and all these critical issues. Now you can check out these two difference between these two commands. This is a headliner's highlighter color, and this is a text color. This is a text highlighter, and this is a text color. Don't confuse between these two colors. When you want to change your text, just use this A. If you want to use the headliners, you want to headline, or you want to highlight your text in any of the paragraph, just use this. Okay, understand? I hope you people are understanding very well. In the next video we have to discuss the remaining command of home video, and after that we are, and in the next parts we have to discuss the remaining parts of Microsoft Word, and remaining toolbars we have to discuss all in detail. Don't go anywhere, just touch here, touch with me, and discuss. I want to discuss with you all the letters and everything that is related to Microsoft Office.